Okay, so yes, we were discussing atomic structure. Atomic it was atomic structure. So the first scientist who just gave these experiment and did all these things was John Dalton, but his experiment was failed due to having another theories like discovery of electron, proton, and these all. So what exactly was John Dalton says? He says that the atom, every atom looks like this ball-like structure, and they have their own particular shape or something like that. Like he only says that there there was no nucleus, no electron, no proton discovery before that. So he just assumed that the atom is a ball-like structure, and they have their particular shapes. I could also show you these are the pictures. He just considered that the hydrogen would look like this: phosphorus, copper, gold, carbon, oxygen. These all are the representation which he just thought, and he has a complete structure. And his that ball model was known as Billiard ball model, and he just says everything is ball like a structure. Okay, but later on that was failed. So how and why? So just because there was a discovery of electron. So discovery of electron was given by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson, and discovery of electron was, let me just take a speed. This like discovery of electron was done in a discharge tube. Discharge tube. Discharge tube was so common at that time after his experiment, otherwise that was so rare. So I did not click the picture, but I have this. So let's start. This is a discharge tube which is connected to a battery or high volt source. That if we just give 10,000, 10,000, not 10,000 but 1,000. This means these are the high volt. Any amount you can take that would be high amount. Okay, then we have the positive side and the negative side. So negative side is known as cathode, which is this one, whereas anode is a positive side. Okay, this is so common. Then what, and yes, in this experiment there would be a vacuum but would be also attached, which will take the gas from this. So if it will take, so why we should give high amount of gas? Instead we need to give low amount. So air at what's it written? Air at every low pressure, air at very low pressure. So we just say the air which is present in these cathode tube, that would be very low. Okay, so what did he exactly say is that if electrons are moving from this path, which move from this and like that, okay, it goes to the positive. So we just say positive charge always attract negative towards it. Okay, so we just say that cathode electrons are moving towards the positive anode side, and then we have this anode. This anode is looking like this here, but exactly we just found something else, that anode is known fluorescing. Wait, so they were having perforated cathode, perforate not cathode but anode, perforated anode. So what does that mean here? We'll tell you that as well. So perforated, let me change color. If this is simple anode which have positive charge, this is anode. Okay, and I just take here, this is simply anode, sorry. But what if I just add a little holes in it? This is one, then we have a space in it, second, we have third, we have fourth. So you can see this space. Now let me change color. So here we have the space like this, here. So perforated simply means having the holes in their structure, having the holes, which means